I'm here with my Dash Flex Press grill system, and today I am making some sweet potato pancakes.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
I have this roasted sweet potato that has been in my refrigerator for a few days and I need to use it up. So I thought, why not make some sweet potato pancakes for breakfast today? I roasted the sweet potato in my Nesco 4-quart roaster oven the other day. I roasted a whole bunch of them. Look how easy the skin comes off. Just pulls right off. There's my roasted sweet potato. I'm just using like an average medium sweet potato. I'm just gonna mash this up with a fork. This is a really moist sweet potato. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of brown sugar, basically because that's what I have. And I'm gonna add 2 eggs. I'm gonna mix this together. That looks good. I'm adding a 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. So I'm not using a recipe for these pancakes. I'm just kind of using what I have on hand and making it up as I go along. I think that's one of the really nice things about cooking with mini appliances is that you can experiment and just kind of create your own recipes based on what you have around. And if it doesn't come out good, you're not really at a loss for a whole lot of ingredients because it's not like you're making a really big batch or anything. I think this is a good consistency. I'm going to sprinkle some cinnamon on here. And I'm just going to add a pinch of salt. And I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Let's mix this together. Here's my pancake batter. Super easy. It smells amazing right now. I just plugged in my Flex Press grill system. I'm using the 2 griddle plates inside. The griddle's nice and hot, so now I'm going to add my batter. And we'll shut this and see how these come out. It's been 3 minutes. Let's see what's going on in here. Wow, okay, so they definitely rose and spread out a little bit. Let's see, can we cut these in half? Can we separate these two? Pancake twins. How are we doing here? So to me, these look like they're done. Let's take these off and let's make some more. I'm going to shut this and cook these for 3 minutes. Here are the pancakes. So I just made 4 really nice sized pancakes. These are pretty big. They're nice and thick, but let's taste one and see what we have going on here. They look like they're really fluffy. These are so good. They came out like perfect. The inside is nice and soft because of the sweet potato. It's also sweet because of the sweet potato, and it's a little bit denser than like a typical pancake that's not made with the addition of sweet potatoes. I love the little bit of cinnamon. These even remind me of a sweet potato pie. I put the other 2 aside to eat tomorrow. Right now I'm adding some maple syrup to these. Let's taste this with the maple syrup. So good with the maple syrup. And so that's how easy it is to make sweet potato pancakes in this Dash Flex Press grill system. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel to see what else we can make with this small appliance. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.